Hello, Liz here from Sourcingyuan. Today we talk about why you need a sourcing agent in China. So not everyone need a sourcing agent. In our working experience, I think we have 7 or 8 kind customers they need. So first of all, the customer they are doing international trading and they import from China, and they have a category and different items. That means they need to communicate with different factories, right? So this is the first case. If they cooperate with a sourcing agent, they save their time and energy. Sourcing agent helps to communicate, to purchase and then connect products together in one warehouse. So that's the first case why they buy a lot. Now there is, I think the second, of course, the case is for most customer, if they want to focus on their marketing, right? Like a big customer, like you do business for your for Amazon, for Costco, like this. You have big customer, and you need a partner in China and to help you to source. You just focus on your market, and a sourcing agent can help you working on the sourcing part. I think this is the second case. Then a lot of customer, this is the third case. They ask for buy from Alibaba, not Alibaba, buy from 1688 or from Taobao. And they sells, they have an online store on their own country, and they need a lower price. Alibaba, of course, Alibaba is very convenient, but the thing is, China we have another platform, 1688, and this sells to Chinese customer, not overseas, and the price is lower. This customer, they want buy a lower price but same quality, so where they go to 1688, right? But the thing is, 1688 is a domestic, it's China domestic platform. That means most customer, service, the support on 1688, they cannot speak English. And the second thing is, normally you cannot pay on 1688 directly, and most sellers, they are domestic company, and they even don't have the account to accept US dollars. So what do you do? Now sourcing agent help you. Sourcing agent help you to communicate and to buy on 1688, and also including Taobao. Taobao is same thing. Taobao is a Chinese platform. Everyone know the price in Taobao is very good, and but the thing is, it's a Chinese platform. People speak Chinese there, and people pay in RMB, not in USD dollars. So what do? You need a sourcing agent to help you do this. So this is the third case. Some of our customer, they need a sourcing agent. They contact us. Number 4, I think our customer contact with Sourcingyuan mostly because of the quality issue. It's very easy to get quality problems. No matter you buy machinery or you buy electronics, like my customer, they buy kitchen knives, and they buy gifts like Apple box. They buy those items like pillow, and some customer from Africa, they buy pillows. So these kind of products, it's very easy to get quality problems. And one customer, they buy knives from China, and what happened? They do quality check every time, but sometimes they see trust and they didn't do. Well, so the container arrived their country and the quality is not good. So, but the marketing plan is there, and they sell on Amazon, and so they lost the trust. They lost the market in Amazon, and they lost the. You have to import again, So that's very terrible issue for them. So a lot of customers contact us. Why? Because we work as a third party to help you to do quality check, maybe in the factory or in our warehouse. And if anything is not good, right, we replace it before leave China. So that is how a third part, like a sourcing agent, protect you in quality. That's the case why customer ask a sourcing agent. Number 5, I think customer contact us in some industry like used excavator. They contact with us. Why? Because this used kind of products is very easy to get default issues. Because some suppliers in this industry, they change the nameplate of the excavator. The excavator, it could be 10 years experience, 10 years old, already used. But they change the nameplate and say it's just change the nameplate and change the hour, and say just 2 years. So that is hard to tell from the seller directly. So what do you do? They need a sourcing agent like us to visit, like Shanghai, like Guangzhou, like Invest of China, Sichuan, and we travel to there and do the quality check for them. Make sure the hour is true, the nameplate is no fake. Some customer, they have orders, they need us to do a verification of the factory. So this case, why you need a sourcing agent. Number 6, we have some customer like they make products that was made that has several components, and they assemble it together. What we in this case, they need a different factory produce different components, different parts, and then need another factory, a final factory, and put all together, assemble it together, and do the quality check. So this case, some of our customers, they find Sourcingyuan and ask us to do such thing. Yeah, in that case, you'd better have a sourcing agent to help you to manage all things together, all things finished and done in China, cooperate with different factory and do assembly together and then send to you. Yeah, that is the case. In the number 7, I think if you need like a private label, you are Amazon seller, you need a private label, and you need repackage. You have a package and you have the product, like for example the kitchen knife, and you want to put something else inside as a gift, or something together, so it's a group to sell to your customer. In this case, a sourcing agent help you. We buy items from different factory, and then in our warehouse we put items together in one box. And when you receive it, everything is ready for to sell. So this is the number 7. I think that is all. You need a sourcing agent based on our working experience. Of course, this is Sourcingyuan, and we are a sourcing agent in China. We help customer to sourcing products and to build their own brand, and we provide A-to-Z sourcing service. So if you want to create your own brand and set up your business, so talk with us. Thank you. If you like this video, give us a subscribe, and welcome you to visit our website sourcingyuan.com, sourcingyuan.com. That's it. Goodbye.